Hello, this is Jeffrey Tiefertiller, back with another service management leadership video. We thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel. Hope you'll look around to some of our other videos. Today's video is the second in our series on ITIL service design, and I want to talk about service level management. We have other videos on SLM, service level management, but I wanted to talk about it in this series in the context of service design. Service level management is a process that focuses on researching and understanding the requirements of our business. And those requirements can be uptime, service levels, all that fun stuff. And so the areas of SLM, service level management, include defining, negotiating, agreeing upon, and documenting IT service targets, as well as monitoring, measuring, reporting on how well the service provider is delivering the services and how well they're meeting the agreed upon targets. When the targets are appropriate and they're met, then the business and IT have a better chance of being aligned, right? So it's all about setting those expectations where those targets are achievable but still are in the best interest of the business. SLAs are agreements. SLAs are part of service level management. They're called service level agreements, which are agreements, I know, it's pretty obvious, agreements that represent this relationship of these targets that the business expects IT to deliver. And SLAs measure specific services. And we want SLAs for all services, but they have to be specific ones. Each SLA is for a specific service. It's not for all services. So you'll have different targets for different services. And that makes sense because we have different CIs and different services that some we have expectations up here and some way down here. And we need to make sure our SLAs represent that. And when we're negotiating out SLAs and service commitments, we want to work with capacity management, availability management, security management, and service continuity management. Tell me if those utility and warranty, that's what we're talking about, is we want to design in those so that our business can be performing at the highest rate and we remove all obstacles. And service level management is accountable for monitoring the conformance of the SLAs and take action, lots of action on the SLAs when they're not being met. And when we talk about SLAs, that's between IT and the business. From there, IT may have OLAs, operation or operating level agreements. You'll see them both ways between IT and specific IT areas or groups or services, and especially services. And you'll also see underpinning contracts, which is between IT and the service provider, which then supports the overall SLA. And so let me try to explain this very simply. You have an SLA between the business and IT, and then you'll have OLAs between the IT and other IT services or CIs, depending on, it'll be on the CIs for a given service, and you'll have underpinning contracts for specific service providers outsourcing. They're just external contracts in support of that SLA. And so customer satisfaction is not determined only by the SLA performance, but also with that communication, those expectations that are being set and met, adjusted. And so we have other videos on service level management. I just wanted to give an overview in the context of service design. This is Jeffrey Tiefertiller. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel. Please like or share the video, subscribe to our channel, leave me feedback below. I'd love to hear it. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.